What's up guys, it's a cold-blooded cuber, and today I'm going to be doing 4x4 parity. So, today I have my buddy Chris with me, and so I have a new schedule for uploading, and so I'm going to do cubing videos on Wednesdays, and animal videos on Fridays, okay? So yeah, now let's get on to parity. Guys, Chris was going a little nuts, so I had to take him out because he was hopping all around. Yeah. So let's get on to this. What the algorithm is big R, U2, and Z. Big R, U2, big R, U2, big R prime, U2, then big L, U2, big R prime, U2, big R, U2, big R prime, U2, big R prime. So then that solves the cube. So I'll walk you through it again. So it's big R, U2, then Z, big R, U2, big R, U2, big R prime, U2, big L, U2, then big R prime, U2, big R, U2, big R prime, then U2, big R prime. So guys, these two need to be switched, so the algorithm is right up here again, and so R2 slice, then U2, R2 slice, then big U2, then R2 slice, then U2, and then fix the top. So, I'll just walk you through it again, these two switch. So, R2 slice, then U2. R2 slice, big U2. R2 slice, then big U2. Then U2. Okay? So, there's another version of this where these two are switched. So, yeah, now I'll teach you that. So, you hold it where these two need to be switched, not on this side or any of those. So, you go RU, R prime, U prime. Then you do the other algorithm, which is R2 slice, then U2, then R2 slice, then big U2, R2 slice, then big U2, then U prime, and you fix that with an RU prime, R prime. Okay, so that's that one. Here it is again. RU, R prime, U prime, then R2 slice, then U2, R2 slice, then big U2, R2 slice, then U2, big U2, and then U prime, then R, U prime, R prime. Those are all the parities you need to know, and yeah, so my main for this year is WL WRM. So, yeah. Okay, so that's my video. Yo, bye.